Institute of Business Management and Administrative Sciences is going to organize third international conference on tourism business entrepreneurship research on 14 to 16 December 2022. Department of Business Finance is organizing a special session in this conference. The main theme of this session is finance and investment. Under this main theme, we are going to organize the different sessions on financial engineering and derivative, asset valuation, corporate governance, corporate social responsibilities and ethics, merger and acquisition, behavioral finance, and all the related topics related to the emerging finance research. From this platform, I would cordially invite you, all the practitioner, young scholars, to submit their paper and to contribute and attend this conference.